Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 randomly tabbing out while gaming. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, if you do not know what this issue is, basically when you're playing a full screen game, Windows 10 takes you to the desktop without your permission. The game will still be running, but Windows 10 decided to take you to the desktop. Let's say you're playing GTA Online and you're playing a race, and you see for 1 second or for a few seconds Windows 10 has taken you to the desktop for no reason. There's actually a reason why this happens, because a specific log file cannot be created because the folder that the log file wants to be written in does not exist. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create that folder, where to create it, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue in general. So I'm gonna give you a little backstory to show you what's causing the tabbing out issue. So what you need to do, you need to go to search and you need to type event viewer. There's no need to run as administrator, you can click it like that. Once the event viewer has opened, in the top left corner you will see 4 folders. We need to expand the folder that says Windows Logs. Click the little arrow next to it and then you need to click application. It may take a few seconds to load all the events that has happened on your computer since the first installation of Windows 10, and the last time that this issue has appeared was in 13th of June, so that means 5 days ago. So today is 18th of June, so I'm gonna scroll down to 13th of June to show you the last time that this error has appeared on event viewer. As you can see right here, this is the error that's causing the tabbing out issue. It's called ESENT, and if we double click, it says right here with the following description: SVC host etc. occurred while opening log file in this directory right here. So this log file cannot be created because this folder does not exist, or these 2 folders. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create these 2 folders. And down here it says source ESENT event ID 455. Thankfully I found the solution from this website right here. As you can see, it says event 55 ESENT with the following description. Everything here is the same except these numbers right here. And if we scroll down, you will see the solution. So how to fix it? You need to open with the Windows Explorer, just click the folder down here, and you need to head to the following directory that it has right here. So go to your main hard drive where Windows 10 is installed. If you have multiple hard drives or SSDs, I only have one SSD, so I'm gonna go to my main one, open the SSD or hard drive, go to the Windows folder, scroll down to the folder System32, and before I continue, make sure that you do not delete, rename any files or folders right here, because if you do, you may corrupt your computer, and in order to fix your corrupted Windows 10, you need to completely reinstall Windows 10. So make sure you do not mess around with any folders, only mess around with the folder that I'm gonna show you in this video. So after that, you need to open the folder config, then system profile, then app data, local, and here you may see thousands and thousands of folders, but you need to look for the folder that says here tile data layer. If you do not find that folder, it says create tile data layer folder if needed. As you can see, I have already created that folder since 13th of June. That was the day that I fixed this issue. But if you do not see that folder in your computer, right click in the blank space, click new, and then click folder, and you need to type it exactly as it has it on the website, exactly like that. After you have created the folder, open the folder, and here you will see blank space again, right click in the blank space, click new, and then click folder. You need to rename it to database exactly as it has it on the website. And last but not least, you need to reboot your computer. After you reboot your computer, you will see, after a few seconds, you will see these 3 files right here. And that means that this method has worked, and that means that you will not see any more tabbing out issues. If you do not see these files, make sure you are in the correct directory and hard drive, and yeah, hopefully you will not see any more tabbing out issues. And after rebooting your computer and seeing those files in that folder, you will not see the ESENT error message anymore. You will see only ESENT information messages. So if I scroll up to today, which is 18th of June, if I scroll up, you will see only ESENT information events. You will not see any ESENT error messages. And as you can see, there are a lot of ESENT information events, but that does not matter. But if you see information ESENT messages or events, then that means that the method that I showed you worked. And yeah, That's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.